Today, we're diving into the top trending open-source GitHub projects this week, Part 1. In this series, we'll be taking a step-by-step look at some of the most fascinating and innovative projects making waves in the open-source community. Get ready to explore cutting-edge developments in areas like secure AI tool access, advanced data storage, reactive databases, AI agent development, and seamless AI communication, all available right now on GitHub.
Before we jump into today's project updates, here's a quick announcement for everyone. We've launched a brand new YouTube channel called AI Agent Studio, dedicated entirely to AI agent projects, tutorials, and tools. So if you're interested in staying up to date with the latest AI agent open source projects, learning how to build your own agents, or exploring cutting-edge agent frameworks, make sure to check it out. Subscribe now to get weekly videos, in-depth guides, and real-time project breakdowns. The link is right there in the description. Don't miss it. Alright, let's get into today's video.
Project number 1, Second Me. Train your AI self, amplify you, bridge the world. Imagine having your own AI self, a digital extension of you. That's the core idea behind Second Me. What truly sets this project apart is its focus on preserving your individuality in the age of powerful AI. Unlike centralized, super AI that might homogenize or overshadow human input, Second Me empowers you to craft a unique AI self that reflects your identity, understands your context, and even defends your interests. This isn't just another cloud-based AI. Second Me is designed to be locally trained and hosted, putting you in complete control of your data and intelligence, ensuring maximum privacy. Yet, it's also globally connected through a decentralized network, allowing your AI self to interact and collaborate with others with your permission, effectively scaling your intelligence. Think of it as your personal AI, capable of role-playing in different scenarios or participating in AI spaces to brainstorm and solve problems with other AI selves. By providing an AI identity interface, Second Me aims to establish a new standard for how our AI interacts with the world, fostering collaboration among these AI selves and paving the way for truly native AI applications. Leveraging techniques like hierarchical memory modeling, HMM, and a me-alignment algorithm, your Second Me learns from your memories to authentically represent you. Furthermore, its open-source nature encourages community contribution and transparency. With ongoing developments like long chain-of-thought training and direct preference optimization, Second Me is continuously evolving to enhance reasoning and alignment, all while supporting local processing on platforms like Apple Silicon. Before we move to next project.
So now let's introduce MolyPix AI. Turn ideas into editable, effortless, precise designs. Describe your design like poster maker, invitation card maker, LinkedIn post maker, postcard maker, image maker, logo maker, and here you will already get to see previews of many templates. Create beautiful, easy-to-edit designs you want. Let's explore its features. You will find the link in the description box. So let's start to creating some designs. So this is first interface of MolyPix AI. And here on the left side, you will get the option of Create button. And here you get a prompt box. Simply input whatever design you want. For the demo, I want to create an advertisement poster. Create a sophisticated poster for a business conference social event, featuring a photorealistic cocktail glass as the main visual element. Use a color scheme of navy blue and silver to convey elegance and professionalism. So our prompt is something like this. When you're done, here is a brand kit tool. From here you can upload your brand logo. I will skip this. Now simply click on Generate. After a few seconds, you can see a design poster is ready. If poster's not according to you, then you can regenerate it by clicking this button. Or you can remix or edit your poster's designs. Simply click on Go to Edit button. And the next pop-up is MolyPix AI Editor. Here you will find AI tools, like you can generate similar images by using this tool, with just one click. Here you can see our similar image is ready. And the next tool is Upscaler. From here you can upscale your image with just one click. Also Magic Eraser. Brush over the image, and simply click Generate to clean up the area. Is that simple? Magic Edit. Brush over the image and describe what you want to change. Like replace cocktail glass. Simply click Generate to clean up the area. Now you can see our cocktail glass is replaced. Also, you can expand your image with any resolutions you want, or describe what you want to fill. And here you get the option of text. From here you can change your text or edit font styles. Effects, color easily. Also thousands of element, visual, icon shapes, thousands of images, background, layers option for edit, and resize mode. From here you can resize your posters, any social media platform resolution like Instagram post, Facebook post. What you want, you can easily do it from here. Here is templates library. Make beautiful design with MolyPix AI. Professionally designed free templates already available for save your time, layouts, and graphic ideas to create your custom design for any occasion. And here is a pricing section. If you want to go professionally, up to 50% save on annual plan. Let's move to another project.
Project number 2, Meet Ava, turning the Turing test into a WhatsApp agent. Imagine having your own AI companion right inside your WhatsApp. What truly makes Ava stand out is its focus on bringing sophisticated AI interaction directly into your everyday messaging. Unlike typical AI assistants that exist as separate apps or interfaces, Ava integrates seamlessly with WhatsApp, allowing for natural conversations through text and even voice. Think of it as conducting your own version of the Turing test, right in your chat window. You can send Ava text messages, have voice conversations as it understands your spoken words, and even share images. But it gets even more interesting. Ava can send voice notes back to you and share updates, including images, about its simulated daily activities, creating a unique sense of dynamic interaction. The best part? You can build and run Ava on your own computer completely for free, thanks to the generous free tiers offered by powerful AI tools like Grok for fast processing, Whisper for voice recognition, and 11 Labs for generating Ava's voice. This isn't just about having a fun AI to chat with. This project is a comprehensive course that will teach you how to build complex AI systems using LangGraph for orchestrating workflows, setting up long-term memory, and even processing and generating images. Ava is also open source, inviting collaboration and learning within the AI community. This project offers a hands-on and deeply engaging way to explore the cutting edge of personal AI interaction within a familiar and accessible platform. Project number 3, Supawald, Headless CMS for Supabase storage. We're diving into a truly unique tool for developers working with Supabase, Supawald, the headless CMS built specifically for Supabase storage. What makes Supawald stand out is its focus on providing an out-of-the-box interface to directly manage your files, images, and other content within your Supabase storage buckets. Forget complex back-end setups just for file management. Supawald offers a clean and intuitive interface right on top of your existing Supabase infrastructure. One of its killer features is real-time updates powered by Supabase subscriptions, meaning any changes you make in Supawald are instantly reflected in your connected applications. But that's not all. Supawald also boasts robust static site generation support through its built-in Publish API. This allows you to easily regenerate your static pages whenever content is updated in your Supabase storage, perfect for blogs, product pages, or any static site needing dynamic content updates. Built with modern technologies like Next.js 14, TypeScript, and Tailwind CSS, Supawald offers a great developer experience with type safety and a streamlined development process. Getting started is a breeze with their CLI tool or manual setup, allowing you to quickly connect to your Supabase project by simply providing your project URL, anon key, and bucket name. You can manage files, set permissions, and essentially transform your Supabase storage into a full-featured content management system, making it an incredibly efficient solution for developers leveraging Supabase. Project number 4, SimStudio, open-source AI agent workflow builder. We're taking a look at something really cool and quite unique in the world of AI development, SimStudio. What sets SimStudio apart is its core purpose. It's an open-source platform specifically designed for building, testing, and optimizing AI agent workflows. Unlike general-purpose development tools, SimStudio provides a user-friendly interface tailored for creating and managing the complex interactions of AI agents. One of its standout features is the flexibility in how you can run it. Whether you prefer the ease of a cloud-hosted version or the control of self-hosting via Docker, dev containers, or even a manual setup, SimStudio has you covered. This makes it incredibly accessible to developers with varying technical preferences and infrastructure needs. But the uniqueness doesn't stop there. For those interested in working with models locally, SimStudio provides clear instructions on how to pull and utilize local models, even offering specific guidance for different hardware setups like NVIDIA GPUs or CPUs. This focus on both flexibility in deployment and the ability to integrate local resources makes SimStudio a powerful tool for experimentation and development. Furthermore, the project is built on a modern tech stack, including Next.js, PostgreSQL, and React Flow for its flow editor, ensuring a smooth and efficient development experience. This combination of an AI agent-focused workflow builder, versatile deployment options, local model support, and a modern technological foundation truly distinguishes SimStudio in the landscape of AI development tools. Project number 5, R2R, the smartest way to find information with AI. Tired of basic search? Let us introduce you to R2R, SOTA production-ready AI retrieval system. Agentic Retrieval Augmented Generation, RAG, with a RESTful API. This isn't just another search tool. R2R is a cutting-edge AI retrieval system built for production environments. What truly sets R2R apart is its foundation in Agentic Retrieval Augmented Generation, RAG, meaning it doesn't just fetch documents. It reasons and generates context-aware answers, making it incredibly powerful for complex queries. Built around a RESTful API, R2R is designed for seamless integration into your existing systems. It boasts multimodal content ingestion, capable of parsing a wide array of file types like text, PDFs, JSON, images, and even audio. Forget choosing between keyword and semantic search. R2R offers hybrid search, combining both with reciprocal rank fusion to deliver the most relevant results. Moreover, R2R automatically extracts knowledge graphs from your data, identifying entities and their relationships to provide deeper insights. For those really challenging questions, the Deep Research API employs a multi-step reasoning system that can even fetch data from the internet to deliver richer, more comprehensive answers. Finally, R2R includes robust user and access management, offering complete authentication and collection systems. If you're looking for an AI retrieval system that goes beyond simple keyword matching and offers true understanding and context, R2R is the solution. Project number 6, Agent to Agent, A2A, Protocol, unlocking seamless communication between AI agents. One of the most significant hurdles in the widespread adoption of enterprise AI is the challenge of getting AI agents, developed on diverse frameworks and by different vendors, to collaborate effectively. The Agent to Agent, A2A, protocol directly tackles this issue by offering an open and collaborative standard that enables agents across different ecosystems to communicate and interoperate. What makes A2A truly unique is its provision of a common language for these agents, irrespective of their foundational framework or vendor. This allows agents to understand each other's capabilities, negotiate how they will interact with users, whether through text, forms, or bidirectional audio, video, and work together securely. The protocol introduces core concepts such as the agent card, a public metadata file that advertises an agent's skills and how to reach it, facilitating discovery. Agents implementing the A2A protocol can act as A2A servers, exposing HTTP endpoints, or as A2A clients, consuming services. The fundamental unit of work is the task, which progresses through various states. For long-running processes, A2A supports streaming to provide real-time updates and push notifications for proactive updates. This focus on open standards for agent communication is what sets A2A apart, promising to unlock a future where diverse AI agents can seamlessly collaborate to solve complex problems. Project number 7, Google Agent Development Kit, ADK builds sophisticated AI agents with code-first flexibility. What truly distinguishes the Google Agent Development Kit, ADK, is its code-first approach to building sophisticated AI agents. Unlike many other tools that rely heavily on visual interfaces or configuration files, the ADK empowers developers to define agent behavior, orchestration logic, and tool usage directly in Python code. This fundamental design choice grants maximum control, testability, and versioning capabilities over the agent development process. Furthermore, the ADK is explicitly designed for tight integration with services within Google Cloud, making it a powerful tool for those leveraging Google's infrastructure. The architecture supports building modular and scalable applications through the composition of multiple specialized agents in flexible hierarchies, allowing for complex problem solving. The rich tool ecosystem further sets it apart, enabling agents to be equipped with pre-built tools, custom Python functions, API specifications, or even existing tools, providing a high degree of adaptability. The ADK's commitment to a comprehensive developer experience is evident in its support for local development, testing, and debugging via a CLI and Visual Web UI. Moreover, it offers built-in evaluation mechanisms to measure agent performance and provides native streaming support for creating real-time, interactive user experiences. Finally, as an open-source project, the ADK fosters community contributions and ensures transparency. Project number 8, DiceDB, the reactive in-memory database for modern hardware. DiceDB, an open-source database that's making waves with its unique approach to data management. What truly distinguishes DiceDB is its core design as a fast, reactive, in-memory database optimized for modern hardware. Unlike traditional databases that rely on disk storage, DiceDB operates entirely in your server's RAM, leading to significantly higher throughput and lower median latencies. This makes it exceptionally well-suited for applications demanding lightning-fast data access. But the real magic lies in its reactive capabilities. DiceDB enables real-time data updates through query subscriptions. Imagine your application automatically receiving the latest information the moment it changes, without the need for constant polling. This reactive paradigm offers a powerful advantage for building dynamic and collaborative applications, setting it apart from simple caching solutions. While often employed as a high-performance cache, DiceDB provides a familiar interface, making integration into existing systems relatively straightforward. Getting started is a breeze with its Docker setup, and for those who prefer a command-line interface, a dedicated CLI is also available. Furthermore, as an open-source project licensed under the BSD3 clause license, DiceDB benefits from community contributions and offers transparency and flexibility to its users. In essence, DiceDB uniquely blends the extreme speed of an in-memory store with the real-time responsiveness of reactive technology, all tailored for the demands of contemporary hardware. Project number 9, Graft, a transactional storage engine for edge and distributed applications. A look at Graft, an open-source project with a distinct approach to data storage. What truly sets Graft apart is its focus on lazy, partial, and strongly consistent replication. This makes it uniquely positioned for environments like the edge, offline-first applications, and distributed systems. Imagine a scenario where you don't need to replicate entire datasets immediately. Graft optimizes for scale and cost by supporting lazy replication, meaning data is transferred only when needed. Furthermore, it supports partial replication, allowing you to synchronize only specific portions of your data, saving bandwidth and storage. Despite this selective approach, Graft ensures strongly consistent replication, guaranteeing data integrity across your distributed environment. Unlike storage engines optimized primarily for low latency, Graft prioritizes scale and cost-effectiveness. It achieves durability by leveraging object storage. While currently in alpha quality and not recommended for production workloads yet, Graft offers a compelling vision for managing data in challenging network conditions. You can even interact with Graft via a SQLite extension called libgraft. For those interested in embedding it directly into Rust applications, a Rust crate is available. Being open source under both the Apache 2.0 and MIT licenses, Graft encourages community involvement and further development in this innovative area of transactional storage. Project number 10, Model Context Protocol Servers, empowering smarter AI through secure tool access. A look at a fascinating open-source project, Model Context Protocol Servers. What makes this initiative truly unique is its core mission, to provide a set of reference implementations for the Model Context Protocol, MCP, a system designed to give large language models, LLMs, secure and controlled access to a vast ecosystem of tools and data sources. Think of it as a secure bridge that allows AI to interact with the real world in a responsible way. This repository isn't just theoretical, it's a practical showcase of MCP's versatility and extensibility. You'll find a diverse collection of reference servers, each demonstrating how MCP can be used to integrate with services like AWS Knowledge Base, Brave Search, GitHub, Google Drive, PostgreSQL, and many more, utilizing both TypeScript and Python SDKs. What's truly exciting is the burgeoning community around MCP, evident in the extensive list of third-party and community-built servers. This highlights the project's power in enabling AI agents to interact with an incredibly wide range of platforms, from databases and cloud services to niche applications like controlling Ableton Live or interacting with blockchain data. The project also provides clear guidance on how to use these servers with MCP clients, like the example configuration for Claude Desktop, making it easy for developers to integrate these capabilities into their AI applications. Being open source under the MIT license, This project encourages collaboration and the continuous expansion of AI's ability to interact with the world in a safe and controlled manner. That wraps up our first look at some of the top trending open-source GitHub projects. We hope you found these introductions insightful. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss part 2, where we'll explore even more exciting projects. Let us know in the comments below which project you found most interesting. Thanks for watching.